Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the camera feature on the Chromebook to not only record or take pictures of yourself, but then upload it to your Google Drive for later. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you should see a circle within a circle. Go and click it. Now, if you do not see the camera automatically pop up as one of the options, once you use it, it should be one of the options that pop up every single time. If not, go ahead and just click on the search and type in camera. As you start typing it should come up. Go ahead and click that program open. Once the program's open, you should be able to see yourself pop up on the screen. Now you can see me. Okay, over here on the right hand side, you should see a couple different options. Video, photo, square. Photo is, I've never used this app on this Chromebook before, but it defaults to photo. As soon as I use video and I close the program out, video should be the one that comes up. But if not, go ahead and just click on video if what you're doing is you're taking a video. When you're ready to record, you'll just go ahead and click here. And you'll start recording. It'll turn red like this with a little triangle inside, and you're recording. Up in the top, you should see it. There's a number counting, and you're recording. I'm just recording everything I'm saying right now, but I'll show you what to do with this recording when we're done. When we're done, we'll just come over here and we'll click to stop it. And the video's done. And I'll show you what that is in just a minute. If you're going to take a picture, you can go ahead and just click on photo, and then you can just go and take a picture of yourself. Okay? If you're done taking video, go ahead and close it. And let's go ahead and go back down here to the left-hand corner and click on the circle. Okay, if you click on this, you're going to then type in file, and it's just going to show this, and it's going to show files. This is where all of your files that are locally to your Chromebook are saved. Okay, if you go over here to where it says my files, it'll show this is where you can find downloads of things that either you have created or you've downloaded to your computer. This is where you can find them all. Okay, what we're going to do is, as you can see, here's my picture that I took, as well as the video that we took. Okay, we want to get these, and we want to get them on your Google Drive. If over on the left hand side, you should see where it says Google Drive. Go ahead and drop that arrow down, and you should see where it says My Drive. Okay, now I clicked on it, and obviously it opened up my drive here. I'm going to go back to the downloads because I want to take these and I want to put them here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the file that I want. If you're going to select multiple files, you can hit the control key on your keyboard and select it, and it'll select multiple files at once. Or you can click outside of the files, and you can, make sure you click outside of it, click, and then click and hold, and then drag, and it allows you to drag and hold those files together, okay, and then let go. When you're ready to move the files, you're going to click on, in the blue, click and hold. Okay, don't just click it. If you just click it, it just selects that one. If we're going to move them, we're going to click and hold using two different hands, and with another hand, you're going to then drag these files over to where it says Google Drive, and you're going to let it go. Now on my Google Drive, if I scroll to the bottom of this where my files are, I should see the two files that I just put in here. Here's the picture and here's the video. Now the video won't show up yet, and if you try and play it in your Google Drive, it won't, because it has to process in the background. But from here, you can get back into Google, and I can go to my Google Drive on any device. Keep on scrolling to the bottom. I should see the two files. Here's the picture I took, and here's the video that I took. Okay, now this is where I can come in here and I can share it with my teacher, send it to my teacher or another student as an email. Okay, I can right click on it. If you're on your Chromebook, that's two fingers clicking together at the same time, and I can click share, and then I can type in the teacher's name or the student name. I'm just going to type my name in. And then I can select it, and then you can type in a message here if you want to. Over here, you can either choose to be editor is always going to be the default. You can choose viewer or commenter, and then I would just click send. Once you click send, it'll send them an email, and they will get access to that video or picture that you just took. If you put it in your Google Drive, you can also be able to use it from here. You can upload them to a Google Form if that's where your teacher's having it, or from here you can upload it to another program if your teacher's using another program as well. I hope that this was easy for you to follow, and see you next time.